Feature Friday, everyone. It's so great to have you guys here with me this Friday. As you can see, I am not in my quilting studio. I am here in Augusta, Maine at the Augusta Civic Center for Maine Quilts. So I am enjoying all of the beautiful quilts that are on display here. And last night during preview night, I had the opportunity to see the Best of QuiltCon, which is a display they have here, which are some of the most beautiful quilts that I have seen come on display. I really love modern quilting, though it's not something that I'm great at. And they have a selection of quilts from QuiltCon 2024 that took place in Raleigh, North Carolina. And y'all know I'm from North Carolina, but I didn't get to make it to the show. So it's really wonderful that I get to see the quilts that they have this special selection from and get an opportunity to see those. And I thought I'd share them with you. So Tiana has put together a slideshow of the pictures that I took of the QuiltCon quilts. Unfortunately, I was not able to film a video in the room for privacy reasons of all of the other quilters who were enjoying those quilts and spending time looking at them and admiring them. So I hope you enjoy them too. If you're here in the Maine area, make sure you stop by and say hello and enjoy all of the quilts that are on display here and do some fun shopping. Thanks so much. Y'all have a great weekend.